Keeping all these things in mind, we developed a book series which is simply titled Artificial Intelligence for classes 1 to 8. Let us look at some of the features of the series. It will be quick and I'll just skim through these. So the initial pages list the features of the books in a spread. So these two pages tell you how to use these features actually. Then we have tried to include engaging content placed in attractive layouts in the books. Our IoT section, which is the Internet of Things section, talks about an AI device, whereas the second one is, the Trailblazers section narrates the story of an eminent personality who has contributed a lot in the field of technologies. And then there's this meet section, which introduces a fictional character. This is not an actual character, it's a fictional character, which represents a profession in the field of AI and computer science. Then, of course, I mean, we know and we have been teaching this to our kids also, that a picture represents 1,000 words, or a mind map is a powerful learning tool. We all are familiar with these things, right? So we have included loads of infographics in our books, I mean, so that children can learn through images as much as possible. Then wherever possible, we have included interesting tidbits of information from the past as well as the present. So there's this bite from history, which lists something unique from the history, and there's this cool fact, which displays some unique fact. Then we have kept in consideration the computer ethics and skills. Wherever possible, we have also included a direct connect between the context and the AI. For example, how AI is being used in drafting emails these days, how automatic text appears, or how AI helps in Google search when kids start typing, automatically a list of words or phrases appear. So we need to make them aware that all these are connected to AI. So these sections, AI Connect helps them do so. Then, of course, life skill is an essential part of the book. And then we have core AI-based features like AI experiments to explore, which is nothing but explanations about chosen Microsoft AI experiments and Google AI experiments. A peep into the future talks about evolving technologies and how new things might come in future. And Fun with AI is pure inquiry. It's pure activity which promotes inquiry-based learning. And then, of course, we cannot forget our traditional features like summary and glossary, which are excellent tools for reinforced learning. I mean, you teach child a chapter and then ask them to go through summary and glossary. Sometimes they remember more from summary and glossary. And last but not the least, we have given a huge variety of exercises, again, for reinforced learning. So that's about it. Now, before passing the baton to Niharika again, I would leave you with some teachers' resources. For Python, you can refer to python.org. For experiments to Google, you can go to the link mentioned. Sometimes we may not have Python in our machines. In those cases, you can go to online compilers. So you need not download Python to your machine. You can just directly go to these websites, write your code and see the output. So there are two of these. And then I would highly recommend a book titled Introduction to Artificial Intelligence by Philip C. Jackson. It's an excellent book. I would suggest that all of you read it. And I hope that you enjoyed the session. I wish you all a very happy and healthy new year. Please do remain connected. Bye-bye.